Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to fix calendar invites not working on Microsoft Teams. If you're having trouble sending or receiving invites, don't worry. We will walk you through some simple solutions to get everything working again. On your Microsoft Teams dashboard, the first thing we need to check is your account. In the upper right part of your dashboard, click the mini profile logo. Once you're here, click on My Account. Here, we need to make sure we are logged in properly. Check that it is the correct account. That's the first thing to do. Next, we need to make sure the account is active and that the Microsoft 365 license includes Teams and Outlook. We can check this in the subscription section. If the subscription has expired, we just need to renew it. We also need to confirm that we are logged in with the same account on both Teams and Outlook. Make sure it matches across both Teams and Microsoft 365. If it is different, just log in with the correct account. Now let's restart both Teams and Outlook. We can also refresh them or log out and sign back in. Before logging back in, it helps to clear the browsing cache. Just press Ctrl-H on the browser. From here, delete the browsing cache files to refresh Microsoft 365 in the browser. After that, check for updates on the applications. If updates are available for Microsoft Outlook or 365, go ahead and update them. That's how we fix calendar invites not working on Microsoft Teams. With these simple steps, we should be able to schedule and receive meetings without any issues.